Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel. My name is Shubham Y Shah. In today's video, we are going to discuss an amazing opportunity provided by Deloitte Australia, where you are getting opportunity in the data analytics domain. Which opportunities is, where to apply, how to apply, who all are eligible, what is the qualification required for this opportunity, what are the perks and benefit of this opportunity. All the things will be discussed in today's video. So make sure that you are watching this video till end. If you are visiting our channel for the very first time, then I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will be getting all the latest video notification from our side. If you are our new viewer, or if you are visiting our channel for the very first time, then I just want a quick announcement. We have already started talent community at global level. You can join WhatsApp channel and Telegram discussion group for free. You will be lifelong free member of our community. All the links along with the application link of today's opportunity will be provided in the description itself. This video is strictly for the informational purpose and education purpose. We are not forcing anyone to enroll or anyone to apply. All the applications of the videos are totally free. We won't charge any of the fees or any consulting fee for the application. So be aware for the fraud, because many people are doing fraud in our name, and we come to know in recent time. That's why we are very strictly with our things. So without wasting further time, let's connect to our screener. Hi everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel. As you can see that we are on the theforce.com official platform, where we have to seek an opportunity provided by Deloitte. It is in the data analytics domain. Work with our team to deliver Deloitte expertise to our client. It is free and it is trusted by more than 1,97,450 plus 5-star review. Get career ready, hiring now. You have to complete the work that simulates life on the job 1-2 hour and self-paced. Here there is no time bound or no timeline to complete the task. Whenever you got time or whenever you are available, you can do it. Stand out in application to Deloitte Australia, show us you are a motivated candidate. So it is steps before your actual interview. The company wants to know that are you really a genuine candidate? Are you really capable of doing day-to-day activities? Now we have to know the reason why complete this job simulation. A risk-free way to experience work on the job with us at Deloitte Australia. Practice your skill with example tasks and build your confidence to ace your application. There are no grades involved, no assessment, and it is for intermediate graduate program data and analytics. You will be learning and practicing the following: data modeling, data analytics, data visualization tool, spreadsheet. How it works. Here I will be telling you step-by-step process. Firstly, you have to complete guided by pre-recorded videos. Like you have a task which are already as pre-recorded video and example answer from our team at Deloitte Australia. No license, all self-paced, means whenever you got time or you are available, you are open and you can apply, you can complete. You will be earning a certificate and add it to your resume and LinkedIn as an extracurricular activity. Stand out in application confidently, answering question and answer, and explain why you are good fit for our team, means the Deloitte Australia team. There are also other opportunities from the same we will be sharing in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and do subscribe and the channel and bell the and press the bell icon. Sorry for the miscommunication. Task in the program. Task 1 about data analytics. It will take half an hour to 1 hour to complete. You have to build a dashboard to export the client telemetry data. How to use Tableau to visualize data. What you will be doing, analyzing the client data and creating a dashboard using Tableau. Second task is nearly 20 to 30 minutes it will take to complete. How to help a client draw conclusion from the data. Finish line is you have to collect this achievement and tips to help you stand out in job search. You will be also getting interview tips at how to talk about your experience in your interview. And lastly, resume snippet, a summary ready for a resume. do mention all the tasks which you have performed. Also you can mention specific tools and technology which you have used. In case if you are facing any difficulty or you want help from the expert of our team, then you can contact us. We will be happy to help you. You will be getting support team and other contact details in the video description, so you can check out. Do follow us on socials. Thank you so much for watching this video till end.